Today, we are still talking about festival coverage, but this time, doing it as a supplier. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Buhay Photographer. My name is Ken of Unit A Creatives, and today we are talking about covering festivals as a supplier. Covering a festival is a chance for you to show what you got as a team, a chance for you to impress and get more clients, especially that festivals have international and national coverage. That is why you should go into it well-armed and well-prepared. And today, we are going to help you by giving you 5 tips that you should know when covering festivals. Number 1, know what the festival is about. When you know what the festival is about, you will also know what kind of shots you should compose and adding the necessary elements such as food, culture, and their own traditions. Number 2, know the tourist destinations of the place. Every festival across the board has one common goal, and that is to promote tourism. Your outputs as a photographer or videographer should support that cause by showcasing what the LGU has to offer for the tourist. Number 3, know the festival schedules. Covering a festival can really be tricky. 3 or 4 events happening at the same time, this will give you an idea of how much manpower you will need. This will also help you prepare the proper gears for you and the entire team, making sure that you guys get through the project successfully. Number 4, highlight the best parts of the festival. Make your client relive the best moments of that festival. The whole point of hiring a photo and video supplier is to immortalize the event, that after all the celebration, they can easily look back and remember everything through your outputs. Every festival has its own highlights and distinction. Make that your guide when you're out there shooting. Number 5, communicate with your client. You can never go wrong when you ask the right questions. Always ask your client what he needs and what are the things that you should avoid. It's best if you can present concept options before diving into the project. This way, you already have a springboard to work with rather than constantly doubting if your concept will work later or not. After all, client satisfaction is what matters most. So there you have it, the 5 things that you need to keep in mind when covering festivals. Personally, I would like to emphasize that covering festivals can really be hard, so you better prepare properly, gear up properly to make sure that you finish the project successfully. My name is Ken of Unit A Creatives. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and tell your friends about us. And we will see you on the next episode of Buhay Photography.